Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, today is Wreaths Galore. The theme is Cozy Gingerbread Men, and it is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, Design with Emma, Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. So stay tuned as I create a cozy gingerbread man wreath. It'll be fun, so stay tuned. Okay, the supplies you're going to need is a glue gun, extra glue sticks, these Christmas ornaments cut in half. Here's what they look like. And see, I just cut it in half. And here's the top of them. I don't know if I'm going to be using those or not. And then my gingerbread men, my gingerbread house. And then I also have these gingerbread house paper plates, and I cut out the candy. And here's some extra gingerbread snowmen and bell and a cookie, a star-shaped cookie. These are all from the Dollar General, and they look like gingerbread. Like, look how realistic that looks as a cookie. And the same with the gingerbread. And the bell. And then these I ordered from Amazon, which some of you may have remembered when I did the tier tray. So I'm going to be using the 2 gingerbread and the house and the cups in this project. And I have this ribbon, which I kind of thought looked like the color of gingerbread with this little white embroidered flower on it. Okay, so there is all the supplies, and of course the wire wreath frame. Okay, let's start crafting. Okay, first I'm going to start wrapping the ribbon around the wreath form, and this is all the ribbon I have. So I'm going to pull it tight as I start to wrap it, and then glue it periodically. Okay, now I'm going to add the bow. And the bow has this rope on the back of it, so I'm going to string it through the back of the wreath and tie it off. And also make a loop for it so I can hang it. And then I'll be gluing this as well. Okay, now I had already pre-made the bow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it directly to the wire. I'm going to put some glue on the back side of the bow and just press it down. Make sure it sticks. Okay, so there's one side. And now I'll do the other side. Using a stick to press it down onto the wire. And then fluff it a little bit. Okay, now the fun part starts. What I think I'm going to do is take these cups that I cut in half and glue them like such. And then take the gingerbread house, place that at the bottom, and then the two gingerbread men, well, the little girl and the man, either glue them on the wreath or have them sticking out of the cup, which I think kind of looks cute. Yeah. And then, as I mentioned before, I cut out, so these are little cutouts from the gingerbread house. And so I'll just glue those wherever they need to be glued. So maybe like that. Okay, does that look good? Okay, so now I'm going to commence to gluing. I think I'm going to start at the bottom with the house. I'm going to put a good bit of glue on the house. Press it down for a minute. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the paper mint. And another one right there. Now for the cups. Okay, I'm just going to glue the outer edge. Hopefully this is going to stick. I think it is. Okay, so now let's do the other one. Start at the bottom. See, I think that looks cute. No, I haven't glued this one yet, so let me figure out. So I'm kind of, okay. So I think what I'm going to do is put the gingerbread man, look like he's sitting in the cup. So again, I put a good bit of glue. Press them down for a minute. And the same with the little gingerbread girl. I do have one more mint. I'm just trying to decide where to put it. And I have this gingerbread, either in the middle of the bow. And I have this gingerbread star that I was thinking about putting it in the middle of the bow. Definitely the gingerbread star. So let me put some glue on that. Press it down for a minute. Well, isn't that looking cute? I don't think I'm going to use the snowman in this collab. I'll save it for another one. Like all these cookies, I'll save those for another project. Okay, I do have one more peppermint candy. So I think I'm going to add, I kind of want to remove this one and put him at the bottom. So I'm going to put some glue on the bottom of this, or the back of this peppermint candy. And I took the small peppermint off and I want to add the large one. There, didn't that look better? And I might put two together here. I think I will. This is a work in process, people. Well, I think that turned out really good. What do you think? I love it. All right, I'm going to hang it up, so I'll be right back. Okay, here is the finished wreath. My cozy gingerbread man wreath. I put it under my coffee sign. But isn't that cute? Take you in for a closer look. The bow, the star in the middle, the cup with the gingerbread man in it, a little gingerbread house, and the candy mints. I did add another candy mint up here and above the little girl. I think that looks adorable. I'm very proud of my first DIY with Anna and the Grace Life DIY home decor. I was happy to be able to participate in this one. Now be sure to check out the playlist. And again, thank you all for watching. And if you like this video, give it a like. And if you like this content, please consider subscribing. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye for now.